Today we will learn the names of hand bones. Each hand contains 27 bones, with both hand contains total 54 bones. That's a lot of bone. You will keep getting questions in lab test about those bones over and over, so make sure you know them all by closing your eyes. These bones are distributed as follows. Carpal bones, wrist, total 8. Metacarpal bones, total 5. Phalanges for fingers and thumb, 14. Phalanges are the bones that form the structure of the fingers and thumb, with each finger having 3 phalanges, proximal, middle, and distal, and the thumb having 2, proximal and distal. These bones are essential for finger movement and dexterity, connecting to the metacarpals at the knuckles and to each other at joints, enabling complex hand actions like grasping and fine motor tasks. 3 phalanges for each finger except the thumb, which has 2 phalanges. Now comes the question, what is proximal, distal, and middle terms of phalanges? It's actually the bones of the fingers, relative to the body's core. The proximal phalanx is closest to the hand. The middle or the intermediate is in the middle, only present in fingers, not thumbs. And the distal phalanx is at the very end, forming the fingertip. These terms are determined by their position along the length of the finger, with proximal being closest to the palm. Pro is always first one, you can use it to remember proximal, and distal being furthest away from the palm. You can think of distance to remember distal. Distance means away. Bones of the hand. Carpal bones. Metacarpal bones. To remember the shapes of the carpal bones, recall Latin or Greek roots, such as the scaphoid, boat-shaped, lunate, crescent-shaped, triquetrum, 3-cornered, pisiform, pea-shaped, trapezium, table-shaped, trapezoid, quadrilateral, capitate, head-shaped, and hamate, hook-shaped. The fingers of the hand are called the thumb or pollex, index finger or pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger or pinky. Hands' fingers are called digits too. The human wrist consists of 8 bones, known as the carpal bones. These bones are arranged in 2 rows of 4 bones each. The carpal bones are proximal row, scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, pisiform. Distal row, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. We will use the mnemonic that we are in a scene where we are playing with a little kid with bunch of his toys. We are together with kid trying to find out which of his toys are heavy. We will tell him to weigh it and find out which one heavy. We will tell a little kid, scale, tractor, pencil, train, tray, can I know which one heavy? Scale S is for scaphoid, scale L is for lunate. Tractor TR triquetrum, pencil P is for pisiform, train trapezium, tray is for trapezoid, can for capitate, and heavy hay for hamate. Complete hand diagram with mnemonic toys.